Hello students, last time we had studied about Pascal's triangle that gives us the coefficient in the expansions in the form a plus b to power n, and also we had seen some expansions, how to write the expansions. So today we will see some problems on this. So take the first question, find the coefficient of x square term in the expansion of in the expansion of 3 plus 2x to power 4. Now, whenever the coefficient of a particular term is asked to you, you don't have to do the full expansion. Only keep the pattern in the mind. Now, when it is the expansion in the form a plus b to power 4, what are the coefficients? 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Now, the expansion is of 3 plus 2x to power 4. That means here 3 is your a and 2x is your b. And you want the x square term in this expansion. That means now since the first term is a constant term, that means the power of 2x will be 2 and the power of 3 will be 2 because the total power should be 4. Okay, because I want x square term, I am taking the power of 2x, that is b, as 2 and power of 3, that is a, as 2. Now since 2x is b, start from the right side. Now in the rightmost term, the power of b is maximum. That means here the power of b will be 4. Second last term, the power of b will be 3. And third last term, the power of b will be 2. And in the third last term, the coefficient in the expansion is 6. So the coefficient here will be 6. Is that part clear to you? Okay. Now since b is the second term, that is 2x is the second term, I'll start from the right hand side. Rightmost term, the power will be maximum. So in the rightmost term, the power will be 4. Then it will go on decreasing by 1 towards left. So 4, 3, 2. So the coefficient has to be 6. And now simplify this. So 6 into 9 into 4 x square. And that is 216 x square. You want a coefficient. That means the coefficient of x square term in this expansion is 216. Okay, so let us see one more problem on this. Let us take the second problem. Find the coefficient of x cube term in the expansion in the expansion of 2 minus 3x to power 6. So now 2 minus 3x to power 6, I'll write it as 2 plus negative 3x to power 6. That means your a here is 2 and b here is minus 3x. Now you want x cube term. That means the power of minus 3x, I will take it as 3. Total power is 6. So 2's power will be again 3. And in the expansion of a plus b to power 6, the coefficients are 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. Now b is the second term. So start from the right side. So in the rightmost term, the power of b will be 6. Then next term the power will, that is second term from the right, the power will be 5, then 4 and then 3. Okay. When you are expanding a plus b to power 6, b's power will be maximum 6 in the last term, then the term before it will go on reducing, so the term before it will be 5, then 4 and then 3. That means the coefficient has to be 20. Now negative 3 cube, so the term will be having a negative sign, so 20 into 8 into 27 x cube, which gives negative 4, 3, 2, 0 x cube. That means the coefficient of x cube term, will be negative 4, 3, 2, 0. Let us see one more problem. I wish the steps are becoming clear to you. So here, let us take this problem. Find the coefficient of x raised to 4 term in the expansion of 2x square plus 3 to power 4. So your a is 2x square and b is 3. So in one bracket you write 2x square. Now since I want x to power 4 term, that means I will take power 2 here. Then 3. Again power 2 because total power should be 4. Okay. I want x to power 4 and x square, the whole square is x to power 4. So I am taking 2x square's power 2. So 3's power 2. And what are the coefficients in the expansion of a plus b to power 4? 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Now 2x square is a, so start from left. So in the leftmost term, the power of A will be the maximum. So 4 here, then it will go on reducing. So 4, 3 and 2. That means the coefficient has to be 6. So 6 into 4 into 9 x to power 4. Okay, and that will come out to be 9 fours are 36 into 6, which is 216. 216 x to power 4, and hence the coefficient is 216. So in this case, keep it in mind that the first term is 2x square, so x has already got power 2, and I want x to power 4 term. So I will not take power 4 of this, I will take power 2 of this. So 2x square whole square, total power is 4, so 3 to power 2, and hence the coefficient, it is the third term, so the coefficient is 6. So if you simplify that, you get the coefficient of x to power 4 as 216. Okay, now let us see some other type of problems here. Now, the coefficient of x square term in the expansion of 3 minus mx, the whole cube, is 154. Find m. So here I'll write this as 3 plus negative mx, the whole cube. Okay, so here a is 3 here and b is negative mx, and you want x square term, so minus mx, I'll take power 2, so 3, the power will be 1, and the coefficients are 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, so since minus mx is b, so I'll start from the right hand side. On the rightmost term, the power of second term will be 3, then 2. That means the coefficient should be 3 here. So 3 3s are 9. Negative square is positive. So you'll get 9 m square x square. So the coefficient is 9 m square, and this coefficient is 154 given to you. So that gives m square is 154 divided by 9, that is 16. So the possible values are plus or minus 4. So the values of m, possible values of m are plus or minus 4. Okay. Now let us take one more problem of the same type. So here the coefficient of x cube term in the expansion of 4 minus kx to power 5 is minus 4320. Find k. So again, 4 minus kx, I will write it as 4 plus negative kx to power 5. Now I want x cube term. So negative kx to power 3. So 4 power will be 2. And in the expansion of a plus b to power 5, the coefficients are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So start from right side, rightmost power of second term will be 5, then 4 and then 3. That means the coefficient here should be 10. Is that clear with you? So since kx is b, so here a is 4 and b is negative kx, and you want the cube of negative kx. So the second term, the power should be 3. So start from the rightmost coefficient. So the rightmost term, the power of b will be 5, then 4, then 3. So the coefficient is 10. So 10 into 16 and negative k the whole cube. So this will be negative k cube, x cube. So that gives negative 160 k cube x cube. The coefficient of this is negative 160 k cube, and that is negative 4320. So if you solve this, you get k cube as negative 4320 upon negative 160, which gives you 27. So k will be cube root of 27, that is 3. I wish the steps are becoming clear to you. So I'll give you some problems to try yourself as homework. So take these problems for practice. So the first problem here, so find the coefficient. Find the coefficient of x cube term in the expansion of 3 plus 2x to power 5. Then second, find the coefficient of x to power 10 term in the expansion of 2 minus 3x square to power 5. Then third one, the coefficient of x square term in the expansion of 2 plus cx 2 plus cx to power 4 2 plus cx to power 4 is 384. Find C. And take a fourth problem here. Coefficient, I'm writing in short now, coefficient of x cube term is coefficient of x to power 6 term. Coefficient of x to power 6 term in the expansion of 3 plus kx square to power 5 is 5760. Find k. So try these problems as homework, and any doubts, surely make them clear with me in the next class. Wish the steps are okay with you. So without actually completely expanding how to solve the problems using Pascal's triangle. So revise that. See you in the next class. Enjoy the day. Bye.